Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Cat Life.
Welcome to the channel.
I'm Adil.
I'm Zena.
And we're here at
TimberRidgeLodge.
That's right, folks. We're here at TimberRidgeLodge in Lake Geneva. In this video, what we're going to do is show you guys the room we're staying at. It's the 2-bedroom suite. And then we'll show you guys the water park and some of the amenities and on-site dining that this place has to offer. So let's check it out. Alright, so this is our room right here, 418. It's supposed to be a 2-bedroom. So we'll have a little tour of this. And as soon as you enter, there is a crawl basement? Is this a closet? Kind of creeped out to go back there, but yeah, a little closet here. I wonder if this is supposed to be locked, but it's not. So we'll go ahead and just bypass that. And then you got a closet here. As soon as you enter, you got your ironing board and your iron in here. Some hangers as well. And then you got some stairs leading upstairs, which we'll show you guys in a little bit. We'll go ahead and check the floor out here, the main level. So it's a fully furnished room. You got a kitchen here with the electric stove, your microwave, all your cabinets, your refrigerator, coffee maker, toaster, etc. Everything you could possibly need at your fingertips. Your refrigerator, and then your freezer. Everything in these drawers. So you can go ahead and make yourself comfortable. You get all your dishes, supplies, tools, paper towel, dishes, everything that you could possibly need for your stay. And then you got your first bathroom. You got your toilet, your towels, your sink, all your amenities, conditioner, shampoo, body lotion, all that is included. Oh, they give you toothbrush and toothpaste as well. So everything is well equipped. Oh, you got a large jacuzzi here. So on the main level, you got the jacuzzi with the jets, as you can see, and then your vanity. And now let's go ahead and move on here. You got your little dining area, your seating area with the high ceiling. So you have your 4-seating table. Got some sofas here, your seating area with the fireplace, nice and cozy. Your big TV screen. Go ahead and lounge back and relax. Now we kind of bypass the room right here. This is one of the bedrooms right here with the king-size bed. So in this room, you got your own HVAC here, so you can go ahead and control everything. Large mirror. You got your own window on this side, your TV as mentioned, end table with your clock, lamp, phone, and another closet on this side. High ceilings here too. And then this door, I think, leads outside. We'll go ahead and just take a look to see what we got going on here. Oh, you got your balcony here. It's a little cold out today. You can see there's snow back there, but yeah, that's your balcony. It's pretty big. And then we'll go ahead and go upstairs, which you can see from here. So it's like a loft style bedroom on top. We'll run upstairs real quick. And then as soon as you get up here, you got your closet here as well. Go ahead and have a look. So yeah, you got the large closet upstairs. And then your bed, your bedroom in the loft style area. It's a queen, I think. And then you got your ceiling fan. Oh, you got a window on top too. That's kind of nice. And then a bathroom here as well. Similar layout. So your countertop, all your amenities here as well. Everything's included. Your vanity, toilet, and then the tub. So yeah, that gives you an idea of this room. Let's go ahead and head outside and show you guys the rest of this place.
Let's go ahead and look at the main attraction. This is Moose Mountain Falls. Recently renovated with an all-new area for your little ones called Tiny Timbers, a safe and fun area with plenty to do. Oh, mommy coming in with the snacks. Hey, you went all out. What do we got? Ooh, there you go.
Drink, nachos, cheese curds, and this is for you. You're welcome. And this is for you.
So they do have a few dining options on site. The snacks were all ordered from Hungry Moose, located right inside the Waterpark area. You can also take the food back to your room. We ordered the pizza from here, and I gotta say, it was actually really good. So on this side is our room. You can take the elevators up. Now they're designated with different areas, so all our rooms are on this side, 2, 3, and 4. So Timber Jacks, you can also get some coffee. And on that side, you got the restaurants, and downstairs we're gonna check out the arcade and the bowling. So we'll head that way next. And of course, you can see the water park on this side. And this is one of the restaurants right here, Smokey's Barbecue House. We'll show you the menu, give you an idea. So breakfast and dinner. All right, so going on the first floor, check out the bowling.
Yeah.
All right, let's do some bowling, mini bowling. You gotta have credits for this, 24 credits. Oh, the arcade too. Wanna check this out? They also offer a number of on-site activities for all ages, like cookie decorating and ceramic painting. Well, there you folks have it, TimberRidgeLodge in Lake Geneva. If you guys have any questions about this place, ask these two down below. Otherwise, thanks for watching, guys.
Bye-bye.